Alright, y'all, another task. Rifle drills. So you're gonna get 8 kills with an AR-15. You can get that from Tommy, and I'm gonna show you the 2 guns you can use. These are the 2 guns you can use. Those right there, the scavs normally have, if you need to get one, but it's really not that much. I'm going to be using the pistol, but you can use either one, it'll work. As long as it's an AR-15, as long as it's in that family, you'll get it. Alright, let's get out of here, y'all. Make it happen. And you need to go to suburbs for this. Remember that, you need to go to suburbs. Let's get it. Alright guys, once again, like I always say, I recommend you come to a populated area where you can control and try to get you some kills. Ooh, jeez, he's gonna run at me. Make sure you're being careful, guys, because some of these scavs are very strong. But after you complete the mission, you can get out. And guys, once you're done, come back and you complete the task.